now we'll have get everybody in order and have a prayer. An elder from Palouse, Yakima, Quick, Kakia, Whistling Bird, Palouse Falls, Palouse, Yakima. Going to give us a prayer here.
Please rise.
He's very good at it. It'll touch your hearts, everybody. Yes, betul. Kami maataw timba. Ini namu tu ataw ima kotasha kui mamiki okishi. Kami maataw tumamata kubiak kui ayaya kui chiwa kui ayaya iwa. Today, first and foremost, we give thanks for life. We give thanks to Creator. As I shared a few words in our language, as brother Big Six Killer shared, my name is Quick Kakia, Washnash, Palouse Falls, Palouse Yakima. Today, I'm humbly honored to offer a few words as an elder. 71 years of age to come forward and bless this home, bless this land. Let's give the tribes and the people and the students from the University of Washington a round of applause. Very humbly honored to take a small part, try to press this up because I realize fully it's a little bit warm in here. Especially for those of us that are a little bit old and we have fully buckskin outfits on, fully buckskin dresses on. We have stents in our heart. We take medicine every day. It takes us a half hour to put our eyebrows down when we wake up in the morning. A little bit of young one and humor to open it up here. Again, as I give thanks to Creator for life. We recognize the students, the staff, the MC, the floor manager, the arena director, and each and every one of you that are here with us today. Also, it's important to realize and recognize the land base, domicile, us as Indian people, all 574 tribes that entail this North American continent land, you could say. Imagine that, 574 of us, and there's many of us in here. Many people don't fully understand that we're all same but different, or different but same in this realm. We have the beauty of being that tribes and that nation representing our people. Amima Ataw, Tima, is what it said, our Indian people. In our language, Ataw, we care, we share, we love, first and foremost, those before ourselves, even within our hearts. I can truly say, to recognize land base, the PLA, as they say, the public land acknowledgement of the Peel and the Sheffan, original inhabitants of the Eugene, Oregon area, along with your Klamath, along with your Kalapuyas, along with all the other tribes that represent the Willamette Valley. Let's give these nations a round of the drum roll and a war whoop. I'm honored today also to have the assistance of my nephews here. And we're gonna sing a song and bless each and every one of us here as best we can, from the youngest baby that's with us to the eldest elder that's here with us. And remember also the ones that are not here, the empty chairs, maybe the ones that have gone on, maybe the ones that are in prison, that are in that hole of isolation. Maybe they're in the county jail, the tribal jail, the city jail. Maybe they're locked up, they're not free like you and me. But today we share that life and breath, and that's what I said in our language about the spirit, that we come together as one, and we come together as one. We'll take the out. asking my son Winlight to lead the nephews and myself in the prayer blessing song at this time.
These songs aren't supposed to be recorded.
They gave me permission.
Everybody raise your right hand and say, I. Turn a complete circle of contributing to Creator, your life and your family and your soul. Eat out, fish. All right. We're getting ready to do the flag song now. Go over here to the purple rain to bring the flags in.